Hi, it's Renee, and I'm trying to help you to get rid of your dark circles. Does anybody else struggle with that? Man, I have really a bad problem with dark circles. It's a hereditary thing, so there's nothing I can do about it. But I've already got my BB Flawless on. So I put primer in BB Flawless, and so I've got this great palette to start out with. But we're going to use two different products to just get rid of all of these dark circles. That's the concealer, and it's a thick, rich, awesome cream concealer, and the Behold setting powder. This Behold setting powder is the secret sauce. It is what's going to brighten everything up and really make everything look wonderful. Okay, so my first tip for you is that you want to apply it over top of your foundation unless you have a pressed powder foundation. If you've got a creamy foundation on, I promise you, try putting it on over top of your foundation. You'll see the biggest difference in how it highlights and really sets things off. So I'm going to get just a tiny dot on my finger. That's all you need. This concealer has lasted me so long. I have had this for so long, and look how much is left, just lots and lots. But what you want to do is rub it between your fingers, and that's going to warm up the product. That's going to help it so that it will set and it will blend in better. Okay, what I'm going to do is make sure that I'm getting right here on this dark part of your eye, that corner part right there. Okay? Now you are noticing that I'm going down here lower than the actual circle. If you go just in the circle like this, you're going to see where it actually draws attention to that dark circle. And that's not what we want. We want to draw the eye away from that. We want to lighten and brighten. I have the exact same amount of product on both fingers, but you can already see how this one is blending right into my cheek. Now I take it all the way down and blend it all the way down to that cheekbone. Look at the difference already. That is just crazy. Okay, now we're going to use a dampened blending bud. You want to dampen it so that it's going to blend out as smoothly as possible, and I'm just dabbing it up and down. On this side, we're going to dab around in that moon shape underneath my eye. Look at the difference. Okay, now the secret sauce. This is the setting powder. You're going to want to use the concealer powder brush. On this end, there is a screen here. Don't be stingy with the powder. Put lots on. When you think you've got enough, put a little more. Okay, we're adding it on top. This is going to help not only highlight and brighten under your eyes, but it's going to set that concealer so that it doesn't settle into any fine lines. And it's also becoming one with your skin. I know that sounds crazy, but it does. We let it sit there for a few minutes, and normally what I'll do is I will either put on my eye makeup, do my brows, or maybe fix my hair, dry my hair, something while this is baking. This is called baking, if you've ever heard that cosmetic term. Doesn't it sound weird? But you will go back after a couple of minutes and you're just going to buff the excess off. Look how nice and bright this is. The powder itself is translucent, so this is a perfect color for everyone because once it's on, it really goes, wipes off, and it's just a clear. Okay, so you can also use this end if you want to put it all over and have a nice matte, bright finish. We'll put it on this side. Now, which eye do you think has covered up the under eye circles and brightened up that look better? Which one do you think? Hands down. Okay, concealer tips and tricks, Behold setting powder, and all that I can share with you to help you to brighten under your eyes as well. So I hope you're ready to tune in tomorrow for some more tips and tricks on how you can get the most out of your products that you love. Love you, mean it. Good night.